Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Hesti Wijayanti. My student's ID number 4101419100. I'm from International Class of Mathematics Education 2019, Universitas Negeri Semarang. So this is my video, my assignment for subject English on Tuesday at 11 p.m. and due to Tuantu room.
Hari ini pelajarannya apa? Matematika, guys ya? Oh iya. Gurunya datang tuh dia ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Enough? How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. Bad, Miss.
Why do you feel bad?
There's a lot of assignment this week. I'm so busy, Miss.
Okay, relax. You can definitely pass it. I know you can do it.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Miss. Sorry for coming late.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Why did you late?
I was waiting for my boyfriend to pick me up at my home, Miss.
Oh my god. Okay, sit down please.
Thank you, Miss.
Don't ever do it again.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, first I will take your attendance list. Who is absent today?
No one, Miss.
Is it international class, isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
First, Gita Safitri,
Yes, Miss.
Almeida Kezia,
Yes, Miss.
Abel Cantika.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. I hope nobody's absent until the end of the semester, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Who remember what we were learned about last week?
I remember it, Miss.
What is it?
Last week we learned about aquatic quadrant, Miss.
Yes, any question about the material last week?
No, Miss.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I gave you homework last week, right?
No.
Oh, don't worry. Don't lie to me. I gave you homework, yes, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, after our class, please submit it on my table, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to learn the new material. Anyone knows what the new material we're going to learn today?
I know, Miss.
Okay, mention it.
Today we're going to learn about probability, Miss.
Yes, so today we are going to learn about the new material, probability. So do you know about probability?
I'm sorry, Miss. I didn't read the material. I just read the contents only.
Oh, okay, no problem. So basically, probability is one of the topics in mathematics that learn about possibilities of an event. Do I have write it on whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please, anyone clean the whiteboard? Thank you.
My pleasure, Miss.
So, today we're going to learn about probability. Probability is learn about probabilitas, possibilitas. I'm sorry. Possibilities of an event. Please Please, Abel, repeat it. What is the meaning of probability?
Probability is possibilities of an event.
Yes, right. So there are two important terms in the probabilities we're going to learn. There are sample space and sample point. So the sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of in the experiment. Then the sample space usually denoted by the letter S, and also can use the set notation like that. In writing or making or calculating a sample space, we can use several methods. Such as make a table, make a tree diagrams, and then sequential pairing, and also multiplication rules. Then the second thing important in the probability is sample point. The sample point is the most basic outcome of an experiment. So the sample point is a part of sample space. Any question so far?
Not yet, yes.
No?
No.
So we can continue. So after we learn about the sample space and sample point, now we are going to learn about sample space and the sample point of a coin. If we observe the coins, how many sides are there?
2.
Yes, 2. There are head and there are head and there are head and tail.
Oh.
So if a coin toss, there are two possible outcomes. There are the appearance of head and the appearance of tail. So what if we have 2 coins or more? For example, 2 coins, 4 coins, 3 coins. How to find the sample space and its member? So if we have 2 coins or more, we can find the sample space and its member using the formulas. The formulas is Ns equals 2 powered by n, where n is the member of S as sample space, equals 2 powered by n is the number of coin.
Oh.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
For example, I have 2 coins. So the sample space of 2 coins is 2 powered by 2, 2 square. 2 square equal to
4.
yes, 4. Great. So if I have 7 coins, the sample space is 2 powered by 7 equal to 2 powered by 7.
128, Miss.
Yes, great. 2 powered by 7, 128. And then, in addition to using formulas, we also can draw using table and using 3 diagrams. I have an example using 3 diagrams. If we have 4 coins toss, describe the sample space how many event or sample point show at least minimum 3 head. If we using the formulas is Ns equals 2 powered by n. 2 powered by n 2 powered by 4, I'm sorry. 2 powered by 4 equal to 2 powered by 4 equal to 16. Because we have described the sample space, so we draw the 3 diagrams. We have 4 coins, so first coin have head and tail, and then the second coin have head and tail. So, and head and tail second coin have head and tail, and then the third coin also have head and tail, and then the fourth coin also have head and tail. So there are the members of sample space. We can read this together, yes? Head, 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 and head, 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 and head. And then head, 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 tail. And then head, head, tail, head. And then head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head. And then head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, 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 tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, 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 head, and then the last tail, 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 tail. So this is all members of the sample space if we have 4 coin toss. And then we also can find how many the event or sample points show at least minimum 3 head. Minimum 3 head. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So we have 5 sample point show at least minimum 3 head. Is it clear so far?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, we can continue. So now I have an example. Make use a table. If 2 dice are tossed, how many sample space member? And how many sample point that indicate 6 numbers? So to solve this problem easily, we can use table 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first dice, and then the second dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, and last 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So, how many sample space members we can find the members in here, and then we can also use the formulas because the dice have 6 sides, so the sample space is ns equals to 6 powered by n. In here we have 2 dice, so 6 powered by 2 equal to
36.
yes, right, 36. And then the sample point that indicate 6 number. So the sample point that indicates 6 number is in here, yes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the sample point that indicates 6 number is 11. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I think we finished learn about the sample space and the sample point. Any question?
Hey, miss.
Yes. Mention your name and your number.
My name is Abel Cantika and I'm number 3.
Yes. What's your question?
If a coin and a dice are pushed together, how to find the sample space that might occur?
Oh yes. If we have one coin and one dice
Yes.
are tossed, we can make a table. I think some of you can explain to Abel to solve the problems.
I know, miss.
Yes, you can explain in here. Okay, Keisha, can you explain to your friends?
So this is a coin and dice. The sample space coin and dice is 12. It is the sample space from a coin and dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the sample space a coin and dice is 12.
Yes, great. Give applause to Kezia. Yes, thank you, Kezia. Okay, after we understanding about the sample space and sample point, now we're going to continue the material about probability of an event. So to find the probability of an event, we must create the sample space and its member, and then we can use the formulas of the probability. The formulas is PA equals NA divided by NS. Where PA is event of A, and then NA the sample point of event A, and NS the sample space of A. To understanding more, I have an example. If two coins toss together, how many probability of an event that show one head and one tail? We can make three diagrams to find the sample space and its members. First coin have head and tail, and then second coin have head and tail. So the sample space or NS equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sample space is 4, and then the sample point that have one head and one tail is head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. So that's shown one head and one tail. There are two. So and A is 2, and then we can use the formula PA equal to NA divided by NS. So 2 divided by 4 equal to a half. Yes. I have an example more. Is a dice plus 1 how many probability of an event of a prime number here. So we have a dice to find the sample space. A dice have 6 sides, so all members of sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a dice have 6 members in sample space, and then a prime number in a dice is 2, 3, and 5. So the sample point is 3. And then we can use the formulas A equal to NA divided by NS equal to 3 divided by 6 equal to a half. Yes. Any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Yes. Since I think time is up, you can open your book, page 75. There are so many problems you can solve with your friends. You can discuss to solve the problems with your friends at home. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Okay, I think enough for this meeting. Thank you for coming today. I hope you can understanding what we're going to learn today, and you can also solve so many problems in your. Before we close the class, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Enough? Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.